know you go buy them now, Puss. Puss them not relevant now. Come, can bet you on blood clot period. Puss. No man, you not go get again. Your puss going full of.
Sure, with that, sure. I did that, I rub it up. I did that, I rub, man. Yeah. Look like she get a call. Yeah. And me and Hugo over here, sir. Yeah. Me and my brother over here, sir.
Sure, work, mama. She bad, man.
I tell you, when ugliness a give away. I tell you.
I'm not use nothing else. It's the premium.
Why? When ugliness a give away. The woman get all right to pussy clad. All right. And the woman mouth. Jesus. Add back down, Hugo. Add back down.
Shall come back.
Gonna leave the dolly on her shape. The dolly, the dirty dolly, the big dirty blood clot dolly. You know them dolly there where you throw in where you play with and the ear them pick out. I eat this, the big dirty dolly.
That's how many
On the wall with the dolly. On the wall pick big war with the dolly. Hey, on the coup the dolly party. No, sir. The dolly party.
From here, look at you.
You had that.
Anger problem. You understand what I say? I want me get mad, me no response.
On the one pick big war with the dolly.
Mad within himself.
Hey, you really think somebody nice blood clot, brother, would have why you? Eh? Dirty woman got beard. Yes, him look fresh. Him get back him looks. The corabongo them gone off of him skin. And then Hugo. Add back Auntie Dana.
Now wait for now for come up.
She send it, look. Then cup on this now. No look on her mouth. No look on her mouth, yeah. Murder. No look on all of them.
Yeah, 60-45. Wait there.
Auntie Dana, send him the ad. Send him.
Me see.
Woman have syphilis eat down her mouth. Come, Auntie, me I show the picture, yeah, Rob. Remember, me show the picture, and you, Rob.
Back in town, where are you?
Remember, me show the picture, and you, Rob. So see them.
You hear me now?
Yes, Auntie, yeah.
I hate when you use the blood clot word when you have dolly. When they must talk about dolly, not for sure good blood clot clothes go for my blood clot paid $60
Christmas mega white.
You're not gonna see a beautiful blood clot dolly. Them big rusty blood clot iron they would have called themselves dolly. Uno stay right now blood clot looking at Puss mouth and not talk about dolly. When dolly like blood clot them, they make them throw them back and melt them blood clot over and fix them again. Puss your favorite Chucky in a blood clot when Chucky get ignorant and want go in at the little boy.
Yeah, tell about my back and look for fear back.
Hold on the Tanya. A long time we not do this. Yeah. Puss go for anybody you want blood clot, go for come rub me. Can you know say when big woman talk about clean pussy, a man want them, pick my name first, gangster dan. Listen to this. Oh Lord, me just get a blood clot there. Yeah, dirty Puss, me gonna ask you a question pertaining to this thing here. Because you go gone home back to your mother, the prodigal son return. You understand? Someone know, right? If you're not gonna come off of the prodigal blood clot son now, Puss your old big now blood clot. Puss, you said the boy look old liquor. Yes, Puss, me could go with liquor. Him all have a liquor for you, Puss, because you don't fuck up, beat out, burn out, stamp out, and dash out. You understand? Listen to this. If him listen what I say from him in a prison about when sister say him that reach a Europe where him want to reach. Puss your mouth coming like ghost blood clot mouth, goat mouth. Anything your mouth dash red pan, it wither the blood clot we. The woman take home her son now, you understand? And him going a good bathroom and him wash up everything off of you. Don't gun old woman with the sink in your blood clot forehead. The mark of the blood clot beast. They're not going to come off of you go now. Ain't talk truth. Woman, you have boy pitting at your own and you talk about woman pussy curse. When them talk about woman pussy curse, talk about you. Pussy carry your pussy by your forehead. Your whole cobweb up because kill blood clot, man. Pussy for stop do this blood clot thing, yeah. Don't gun old sodomite, old blood clot, Nicole. Nicole, you can't show a man, you can't show a blood clot woman, you can't even show your blood clot face. Dirty blood clot diary where you give a blood clot bed. Bed for our blood clot head, bed for our blood clot, and I'm bed that carry blood clot foot long time. Diary, you are one shit house when you come talk to nobody from blood clot life. You understand? Because a life give a blood clot that go and sleep. Go blood clot sleep, diary. And as for you, blood clot puss, dig a hole and bury your blood clot self. Because you get the worst. Bring down pan blood clot IG. Me take you over lava and get too much care. You understand? Look how you're dirty. You go put you on water pan you and chew on the powder stick on pan blood clot you. You talk about good house. You have to go show that good house to make a blood clot. No ambition, woman. The first thing we look for you, we can't say and have the ambition. Because nobody want in their mouth to look like when time the garden want pick up at the flowers they want plant out. In your mouth green up blood clot puss. Why don't go away? Why don't sit down? I'm tired of you on this blood clot internet. Every morning you wake up, post Hugo. And Hugo did this. He's gone. Dirty woman, he's gone. Right now, I'm a fuck one, I'm a fuck two, I'm a fuck three, I'm a fuck anybody that come along the way. Pussy is gone. Leave him alone. I see him so you did live from blood clot. Mitchell want Erica take off your blood clot head off of your ugly turbulent body and put on blood clot Mitchell body and send go to prison and said, you go look on our body, pussy stay bad no blood clot. Post go feed your blood clot self tin mackerel. Tin mackerel, you want all a nice brown boy with tin mackerel. Put it up into oxtail. You never know them things the way they are Jamaica. What happened to a little lobster? Dirty Nicole, why don't go leave off of the people them? Nicole, take where you done gone waterbed old blood clot. You are not need to nobody now eat and eat here and you is a sodomite. Everywhere you go, Nicole, you just eat. So Nicole, remember say you want come eat under yard, you know. Me expose you say you want come eat under yard. The other day you really come out and talk about this. What's up?
Never like it. None at all.
Talk, you go talk out your good mouth, because you're on the line. The line
Yes,
now with
Mr.
legend. Me a blood
Martin,
clot
okay.
legend in a this.
Listen to it. Never listen to it. I never like it. You don't know. Listen to it.
Blood clot, man. Why I know you go buy them now, Puss. Whoa! You go put up a next one, Tanya. Cause you every time you go shut him eyes, them want him eyes to open when the blood clot picture them come up. No! Blood clot. Whoa! You go me race. Every time the picture come up, you go your eye shut. All right. You gonna more than come up. Open your eye and look at me again. Show the picture, Tanya. Blood clot. Tanya, show it. Make it stay right there, so. You go where duck for. The woman stay bad now, blood clot. You go look where you make her take liberty with you. You go. I say. Actually, I'm a friend, brother. They said I take a walkless broom and give you some blood clot. Look at the woman they did something like that. You can't even look straight in the woman. Up in your eye. All right, you go look for me. Oh, the picture gone. All right, the picture gone. You go look for me. Tanya, put it back. We are moving fast. We want him to look for it. You got that you didn't really give up. Watch it. And that you didn't really give up your life for your family for you go. Eh? All right, Tanya, move it. Come, want him hide them for open with me and him attack. Yeah, you go talk to me now. It gone for true. You go. It gone. Yeah. Puss look like a man now, blood clot. Puss, you break the woman heart with our little boy we she raise and give him cornmeal porridge and put him on the table. You understand? And lotion him, you break the woman heart now, blood clot. You break Miss Beverly heart, Puss, when she said to our little boy, you go old Tanya and Tanya old Chris and they walking together, you break Puss. Go teach your blood clot children them for all them and ugly blood clot, silverback blood clot woman. Come on for the woman's son, a time for your way. You understand? Yeah. Nicola, you go, you jump up on live. I want to call my friend blood clot, calling me rub out on a blood clot today, yeah. Yeah? Look on the woman's son. Talk truth. Come hide you, not talk truth. I you call woman blood clot ugly. Pussy can't call nobody ugly. Can be a mud come out of your blood clot all. Mud. Nobody not for put nothing for anybody see so now blood clot, mud and dirt. The woman blood and my son ever blood clot go near something near blood clot that I just get salt and blood clot lime and chew upon him blood clot make him melt like blood clot snail. Yeah? You understand? You go down, make them put up no berry name, cause berry not in nothing with them. Berry not cost nobody for them. Berry gone about him business. Yeah?
Yeah, them a try mix
Blood
berry.
clot, diary go a peanut, fuck out your bottom and you can't do him. Peanut, rub out your bottom and you can't do him. Peanut, boy, you gone from the blood. Watch there. You go take a look.
Yeah, back there.
Yeah. Shut your eye, you go shut your eye. Shut your blood clot eye. Yeah? Get all a piece of red soap and cover your face more blood clot and make them see a danger. And you run and you're gone.
And a she, a the yellow shots, me can't show, you know.
What you know, you go yeah, shut again, Tanya. How the blood clot? You go take a peep and knock back in the eye. This one more people. Whoa! Watch bomber clot look on her. She favor the big blood clot. Other man we dead with the name Kevin. Look on her blood clot face, no? I really see that for true. She favor the boy underneath the mango tree and eat up the blood clot mango them and eat all the worm too. Yeah? Look on Puss. You go, me ask you a question. Trevor light up on top of you yet. You go. You go.
Stop no. I had even some mama.
Jesus Christ, you go, me now be nickel you go, cause you're my friend, good brother. You go,
teacher.
what you know? You Tanya stop annoy him, the man. You know, see him shut him eye. What you want, Tanya? So that's an eye. You gonna see him eye shut.
The dolly. Look on the dolly. You want pick big boy with the dolly?
Why them? Me not tell a lie. For so dolly did blood clot. Look, nobody that carry them children go at Christmas market. You understand? Because the children them that scared no blood clot. Cause nobody never say I put on the dolly. Push your umpy dumpy no blood clot. If you ever went to the machine where we could make them make nice, ring out the blood clot comforter. You understand? And me have to dry it out, forgot put it in a dry. Put your stay body in a real life now blood clot. Post my wife to take my blood clot picture them. Yeah, your ugly stay bad blood clot never can show face man life diary. I show people I say Tanya, don't look good now blood clot. Me. And that's trending blood clot golden girl. Cause guess happen? Me golden. You understand? I may look like a girl. Look for my blood clot picture them. Tanya, and I'm a picture them for sure. Them. Don't show one time, Tanya, because the show is not my show. I'm just a guest artist by Hugo blood clot live right now. Post your favor mud barrel now blood clot. Your favor when the yard dry and it want mud for pave the blood clot concrete. You couldn't go over the woman yard in the good bed with the low blood clot sheet. Cause the sheet to that black up na blood clot like when you're born cold. Ugly woman come off for the boy now. Time for you to go. That's me, Hugo. Hugo, that's a dolly. Look at that blood clot dolly, Hugo. Yeah. 2 weeks from now, you go, that dolly they have 53 blood clot here. Well, I see that picture here, and the last year, and the year before, now a long time. That picture here.
Why you come over here and off your mouth? Black. Who sent call you?
Black.
Who send call you? You
And
know,
which
so the
one that
people
come,
come and watch
Tanya?
and do blood clot talk. I want to talk. Who send call you, star?
And which what you wait the Tanya? Me never see it. Show me. Star?
Block. Block for you. Goodbye. Go and come
Star.
back on a different
We
page.
don't hear blood clot general
I'm gonna
and
get blood
icon
Yeah,
clot
and
man,
black
so
off of
pussy.
this. I
Then
wanna bet
nice
you
right,
man.
don't know
Molly,
what
good
I
and
want.
dead.
Unless me nah blood clot
Like,
watch the comment section, but I'm gonna get black on no come type nothing over
mm-hmm.
here. So
You
I
go.
listen, I like my friend blacks. Mm-hmm. Nah, look,
Try
I'm
nobody
the
this
blood
steady
ass
no
clot
blacks.
man.
confused.
The boss they are working, you.
Blacks, me
I
tell you
might get
how
me
to
a
do the
job.
thing already, you know, blacks. Me tell you how
Isn't
to
it?
do the thing already.
So,
Blacks, you have to come out and
mm-hmm.
make all a rub to make them say you not take ugly girl.
Mm-hmm.
Cause them a one them will
Mm-hmm.
give you one with favor pussy no blacks. You have to come out and make them know say you not take ugly girl. Big up yourself,
A
strong,
general man.
straight, 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 Red Bull team.
You know me not socialize with idiot.
Yeah.
Once, is it me? Once me find out a
And if you
man
don't
know
know on the
something, you know
on
me
the
start
page
worrying.
fake, don't follow me because I go black on no.
I make you
Yeah,
know.
Tanya. Me say every day me dey on my lunchtime, me hear
Tanya
this
Black say for
man.
helium.
Me hear
What
the
go on black? Big
man.
up yourself.
Doing good.
Yeah man, me there man. I go enjoy myself over here, sir.
Yeah, my boss there, man, is it?
Me know a man.
Yeah.
Tanya,
Me not left him out.
Tanya, me want you
Yeah,
to
there, man.
program that with like how Hugo say, him want go to Europe, program the links there. Our links we say, boy, he got it like that, but you go take the wrong road. You know who me attack already.
Yeah man, me know a
Yeah,
man.
program it for him, because him say him not really want to stay a yard. And you know you can go over there and visit him wife and him look later on when he married in Europe. Watch you look on her like a dead, she blood clot dead. But I'm not telling like, hey, ugly woman who can't take advantage of people good blood clot, brother boy pitney, you know. You understand?
Man come like a big blood clot Jonah wheel and she love car people big. Everybody big fear.
But I talk to Tanya, the woman with name blood clot, sucky Nicole. You understand why she don't go take a seat and go get a shower? Nicole, you walk and suck pussy in a blood clot. Them can't count the amount of pussy where you suck out where come from Jubilee Hospital. Nicole, you suck out the whole of blood clot Jamaica and reach a blood clot New York and you still a suck. You all think a slow storm when you run on the track for going. Nicole, must stop this blood clot.
Oh my God, Jamaica look God damn her.
Is it me they start live in a fear and man I go must buck me up car in a wheels me there. I'm good
Yeah.
after go back to prison car me I go defend myself to the 100. You understand me I say?
Yeah.
The man I raise me have no food. You see me? So it's like me say alright then cool. More I go to London. So when me I try get the Wales probation to link me up. Anybody who working on the probation system, you wanna lie me at it. Link me up with a probation officer for their London to get me a hostel.
Yeah.
Yeah. The inside probation now in the prison, the wicked blood clot yeah one cool you like black woman, but the parents them come from Grenada. But she born in England. She now just take a dislike in me and I must say me release I'm free, you know.
Yeah.
And it's like when she run Janet thing and she said Janet thing straight and turn me down panic. She tell me so she can't find a probation because that is a London probation me want it.
Yeah.
I don't need that no more enough because them don't release me. Once I get the probation, that means I can get the asylum. So she know because she make me not get in an argument and them thing there because me there the jail 3-4 months and can't be blood clot release. Me start get ignorant to the dirty woman. And she put in for say me have mental problem. She gonna recommend me get released a one place a land away. Because she said me very aggressive. You
Yeah.
understand what I saying?
Yeah.
See? So it's like me and Johnny turn around now and say, alright then cool, bumbuckler. Me can't stay in a prison, you know. Me can't stay in a prison. I'm release and be a man and say, yo, oh you not get free and oh you still there road and oh you still there jail. But them time there before me met she, me line up everything. We do the engineer, come we done the engineering course at prison for drive train and
Up.
the next time I have the NVQ certificate. And she know that too. Yeah? So when me go so now book now and Reason get random probably liar, which she and Reason come at Jamaica because she said, say when she get Omar a Germany, she can get me there. So I said, all right, cool.
So the woman fuck up your life, Hugo.
Come at Jamaica. Yeah? Big woman thing. For my mother life, I not chat no fuck with you. Yeah? And like when I said to you, the first week when I come to Jamaica, I could have dead for a baby father say so.
Hold on there, you go. Stick a pin right there, so.
The man say you shouldn't come in our place because she, remember say I be a father and have him name in our place and I be a hungry belly.
Yeah, no.
So the man have him. You understand what I say? See, I could have lose my life, man could have lick my way.
Hold on there, you go. You just said something to blood clot. Hurt my heart.
My life I go down. All right, we'll tag it.